Very good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Vikrant Sudhakar Palekar. I am working as an assistant professor in Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawahar, Palghar. Today, through this video, I would like to give the overview of TYBSc Chemistry course for the academic year 2021. As we are about to start this academic year, so many of you have opted a chemistry as a specialization subject at your TYBSc level. Let me congratulate all of you for that. Whatever the course content I am going to discuss in this video is as per the University of Mumbai syllabus. As we know that undergraduate course in Mumbai University is semester pattern course, and the syllabus for the TYBSc Chemistry 6 unit class has been revised and implemented from the year 2018-19. So this particular batch will be the third batch which will be facing this particular syllabus. Now we will see what are the different subjects are there at TYBSc level for semester 5 and semester 6. Paper number 1 will be on physical chemistry, while paper number 2 on inorganic chemistry. Paper number 3 on organic chemistry, while the paper number 4 will be of analytical chemistry, and paper 5th will be applied component and it will be drugs and dyes. This particular paper may be different in different colleges based upon the applicability and future perspective. For student point of view, many colleges choose drugs and dyes as a 5th paper as a applied component. So in all, you have to remember, you have to appear for 5 papers for theory and practical courses. Now we will see the mark distribution, how this particular course will be having different marks for theory and practicals. Paper number 1, physical chemistry, it is having the course code, that is USCH 501. U stand for university, SC stand for science, 501, 5 stand for 5th semester and 1 stand for first paper. So this particular paper for 5th semester will be for theory course of 100 marks and practical course for 50 marks. So in all, you will be having this particular paper for 150 marks. Similarly, inorganic chemistry paper will be having the course code USCH 502. It will be also for theory 100 marks and practical 50 marks, that is overall 150 marks. Paper number 3, that is organic chemistry, having course code USCH 503. Theory 100 marks, practical 50 marks, 150 marks total. Paper number 4, that is analytical chemistry, having course code or paper code USCH 504. Theory 100 marks, practical 50 marks, overall 150 marks. 5th applied component paper, drugs and dyes, having course code or paper code US ACD DD 501. Drugs and dyes in short is also called as DD. Theory 100 marks and practical 100 marks. You have to remember drugs and dyes is for 100 marks practical course. So in all it will be 200 marks. For you have to remember, for 5th semester you have to give 800 marks syllabus, 800 marks examination. So semester 5 you have to appear for 800 marks and semester 6 also you have to appear for 800 marks. So overall TYBSc you have to face 1600 marks examination. Now we will see the course content, subject wise course content for semester 5 and semester 6. Physical chemistry paper you will be having 4 different units. Unit 1 will be on molecular spectroscopy, unit 2 will be on chemical thermodynamics and chemical kinetics, while the unit number 3 will be on nuclear chemistry, while Unit number 4 will be having the topics surface chemistry and colloidal state. So you have to remember, for every theory papers you will be having 4 different units, and under these units we will be having the sub chapters. This is just I am giving the topic headings. The content wise topics you can find later on. I will discuss that later on. So in all, you have to remember the theory course will be of 60 lectures as per the university syllabus. Now we will see practical course. The physical chemistry practicals has been divided into two parts. One is non-instrumental, where you can use just simple glassware in order to find the terms. Then instrumental, where you can use the sophisticated instrument. So in all, you have to perform 6 practicals for semester 5 under physical chemistry paper. So this particular theory and practical will be for 150 marks. Then we will see semester 6 physical chemistry, unit number 1 electrochemistry, applied electrochemistry, unit number 2 polymers, while unit number 3 will be on basics of quantum chemistry, then renewable and energy sources. Unit number 4 will be on the spectroscopy, NMR and ESR spectroscopy. So this is for semester 6. Again the practicals course will be divided into two parts, non-instrumental one and instrumental one. So in all you have to perform the 5 practicals under physical chemistry section. Then we will see paper number 2 of inorganic chemistry. For theory courses you will be having again the 4 units. These 4 units will be of unit number 1 having molecular symmetry, then molecular orbital theory, this is the second topic. Then under unit 2 you will be having the structures of solids and superconductivity, while unit number 3 will be inner transition elements, while unit number 4 you will be having chemistry of non-aqueous solvents, comparative chemistry of group 16, comparative chemistry of group 17. So this is a 60 lectures course. The practical course will be of two types. You will be having 3 practicals for the preparation of complexes, while second part will be for inorganic qualitative analysis. There are 3 practicals you have to perform. So 3 plus 3, in all 6 practicals you need to perform. For semester 6, unit number 1 will be on theories of metals and ligands. Then unit number 2 is again divided into 4 subtopics. You can see unit number 3 will be on organometallic chemistry, unit number 4 some selected topics, then chemistry of group 18, then introduction of bioinorganic chemistry. So this is again 100 marks course. Practicals, again you have to perform the 6 practical from the complex preparation 3 and 3 from inorganic qualitative analysis. So this is a inorganic chemistry paper syllabus for 5th semester and 6th semester. Now we will come to organic chemistry, that is paper number 3. You will be having again the 4 unit. The 4 units are having the subtopics. Unit number 1 mechanism of organic reaction, then photochemistry. Unit number 2 stereochemistry, agrochemicals, heterocyclic chemistry. Unit number 3 will be on IV basin nomenclature, while second topic is organic synthesis. Then unit number 4 will be on the spectroscopy, natural product. So this is a 4 unit course for 100 marks. In the practicals you have to perform separation of binary solid solid mixtures. It is expected you should perform 6 practicals for separation of binary solid solid mixtures. Then for semester 6 you will be having the topic stereochemistry part 2, then amino acids and proteins. Then on unit 2 you will be having the molecular rearrangements, carbohydrates. Unit number 3 will be having the topic spectroscopy, nucleic acid. Unit number 4 polymer, then catalyst and reagents. And in the practicals you will be having again the separation of binary solid liquid or liquid solid mixtures. Again you have to perform 6 practicals from separations. Analytical chemistry, that is paper number 4, semester 5. You will be having these 5 topics. Again unit number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the practicals you are having the 6 practical from estimation, and some of the practicals will be on the instrumentation. For semester 6 you will be having again the 4 different units, and these are the topics which you will be having for your theory practice. Then for practicals you will be having 5 practicals from again estimation and from the instrumentation. Applied component, 5th paper. In drugs and dyes you will be having 5 courses. So out of the 4 unit, 2 units will be on the introduction to drugs, while 2 unit will be on the introduction to dyes. So you have to remember 4 units will be divided into 2 units for drugs application and 2 units for dyes application. In the practical part you need to perform 4 estimation and preparation experiment, while you will be having the project in this particular DD course. So that particular you have to 4 experiments plus 1 project. Again semester 6 you will be having 2 units on the introduction to drugs and 2 unit will be on introduction to dyes. So this is how your applied component paper is divided into these units. You can see the content wise topics separately. Again in the practical part you will be having the 4 different practicals from the preparation of drugs and 1 project on the preparation of drugs or industrial visit. You can have the industrial visit also. So this is how you will be having the 5 different papers and the syllabus as I have discussed in the earlier slides. Now we will come to the question paper pattern. The question paper pattern, as you know that the theory paper it will be for the 100 marks. So unit number 1, the 100 marks paper will be divided into 5 questions. So question 1 will be on the unit number 1, where you will have the descriptive question of 5 marks. Out of the 6 you have to solve 4. So question number 1 will be on the unit number 1, and that will be for 20 marks. Again question number 2 will be on unit number 2, 20 marks. Question number 3 will be on the unit number 3, 20 marks. Question number 4 on the unit number 4, 20 marks. While the question number 5th will be the mixture of unit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So where we will have the multiple choice question, true or false, or match the columns, or short answer, 20 marks. So this is how your 100 marks paper, theory paper, will be distributed in the different 5 questions. So this is how you can prepare for the theory papers. Now we will see what are the books you need to refer while preparation of this particular course content. It is advisable that you should use the reference books. The reference books are enlisted into the syllabus of what are the given in the university manual. So it is advisable you should use the reference books, but in market also there are different books are available of different publications. These books also you can refer. So these are the books, subject wise books I have enlisted, where there also the practical handbook is also available that you can carry at the time of practical examination. So these are the books, textbooks you can refer. Apart from these textbooks you can also go through the reference books enlisted inside the syllabus. Now we will see how the descriptive syllabus we can see. What are the syllabus we have seen in earlier slides, that just a topic names, but apart from that you can also have the descriptive topics. How to search that? For that you have to go through the University of Mumbai website. As you know that, what is the URL ID for that? mu.ac.in, Mumbai University .ac.in. You have to open the home page, and from this home page you have to go into the student section. So this is the student section you have to go. While going into the student section, you have to go inside the syllabus section that has been red marks I have to sing. Then once you go inside the syllabus section, then you have to click on the faculty of science. As we are from the science faculty, so you have to click on the faculty of science. Once you click on this particular portion, different classes will be there. First will be FIBSc, next will be SYBSc, and last one will be the TYBSc. For chemistry courses, we have to remember the number 4.41. Under this 4.41, we will find the syllabus of every different papers. You have to remember, you have to search for the syllabus of 6 unit, not for the 3 units. So remember, click on the subject and 6 unit. Suppose if I want to find the organic chemistry syllabus, you have to click on the 6 units. Once you click it on the 6 unit, you will find the PDF file will be generated, and in this PDF file you will find the descriptive syllabus for every paper, where you will find the subtopics also, syllabus also, the reference books are also given. This is how you can find subject wise syllabus for every 5 papers. So there will be 5 PDFs for 5 different papers. In that PDF files, you will find the syllabus for theory papers also and practical also. What I have mentioned during the PPTs, I have just mentioned the names, but under these names you will have the subtopics. So you have to refer that while you are studying. So this is how you can find your course content on University of Mumbai's website. So this is a overall course content what I have discussed in this particular video. So definitely this particular course content will help you in order to study in this particular platform. Thank you very much.